Hey, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show how to use this thing, this Protobuf or whatever it is, Protobuf. I can pronounce it properly, but I will show how to use this. So first, you need to clone the repository. I will open terminal windows in this folder, and this is the demo application I'm gonna use. I'll just copy the command to clone it. Then I will change the directory to the folder. Okay, let's move the demo application in the folder here. And then we can install the requirements. Okay, it's installed. Then we're gonna give the executable permission to the script. Then we will run the script. 1, 2, 3. The script and the IPA file name at the end. Here is the IPA file. I've extracted it using Frida from the device. I will run it. It will take time, like 10 to 15 minutes. In some case it might take up to 35 minutes, I think. If your binary is larger, we'll just wait here. As we see, it extracted successfully, and it took like something 6 minutes, I think 5 or 6 minutes. And we have the output folder here, and here you can see the outputs. Okay, thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. If you have any type of projects, let me know in Telegram. I will help you there. Okay.